Welcome to Novabrik New WRB Installation. WRB product installation on OSB sheeting will allow you to install Novabrik directly on your building structure. Novabrik rock face will protect and give curb appeal to your project. Install WRB product on building OSB for WRB manufacturer technical guide. Corner strip has pre-hole to ease installation with screws. Set corner strip at building corner. Make sure corner strip is level. Use screws to secure corner strip. For reference, quick installation tip sticker. Back starter strip with weep holes help prevent water damage and mold growth. Measure length for starter strip to be installed between walls. Measure and cut the starter strip at determined length. Bottom flange needs to be removed. Pull bottom flange from strip. Pre-drill holes on the starter strip, more or less 16 inches center to center. Pre-drill hole on top of corner. Slide corner in the outside corner strip. Secure corner with 2.5-inch screw. Add beads of construction adhesive. Not too much, look out for spilling. Slide second outside corner on top, secure with screws. Repeat up to top of wall. You will need to bend corner strip to 180 degrees and install strip accordingly. This allowing corner flange to fit with J-channel siding. Corner flange to be set on J-channel siding. Slide outside corner in 180 degrees corner strip. Secure corner with 2.5-inch screw. Use a brick to set the height of the starter strip. Fix it with a screw. Measure the height at different points. When level, fix the starter strip properly. Repeat the steps for all starter strip. Inside corner is installed directly to building structure. No need for strip. Secure corner with 2.5-inch screw. Add beads of construction adhesive, not too much, look out for spilling. Install second inside corner, secure with 2.5 inches screw. Stack Novabrik on the starter strip. Measure and cut Novabrik to fill in the row. Cut Novabrik with chop saw and diamond blade, using mask to protect from dust. Every second Novabrik, 16-inch center to center, needs to be secured with screws. Pre-drill a hole in each second Novabrik with a slight up angle. Sweep to clean small aggregates. Stack rows on top of first row. No need to secure Novabrik for 4 rows. At 4th row, identify Novabrik, which will be pre-drilled. Repeat pre-drill, sweep, and secure with 2.5 inches screw. Once 4th row is secured, repeat stack 4 rows high. pre-drill hole, sweep and secure each Novabrik of the last row before wainscot cap transition with 2.5-inch screw. At corner top, measure and cut corner to allow wainscot cap to fit on top of corner. My third wainscot cap for outside and inside corner. Using construction adhesive, glue both mitred corners together. Glue underneath each wainscot cap hook and set in place. Install L-trim flashing under siding J-channel 2¼ inches by 2¼ inches. Install other siding first and then install Novabrik to fill in. Install proper flashing on top of wainscot cap. Install other siding on top of flashing according to siding installation guide. Install proper flashing on top of wainscot cap and behind furring strip. Install other siding on top of furring strips according to siding installation guide. Great installation, great product, great result, peace of mind for your building. Available through ABC Supply, Menards, or your local lumberyard.